don't know why you're crying there. Guys, it's 7:30 on March 29th, and this is what I woke up to this morning. These little shits that you hear meowing. Yes, I'm calling you a little shit, Missy. You too, Minnie. This is what I woke up to. Because I have been leaving this box closed on here since I started these projects. And they decided to play with it. Today, last night, today, because I went to sleep after midnight. Like I don't know it was both of you. One of you might have knocked it over, but you both definitely played for it. What do you have to say for yourself? Tell me, Minnie. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Hey, over here. Thank you. All right, well, I have to clean this up before Mommy's precious angels get to eat their empty, wet food. They always have dry food. There was no need for this. No need. None. None. I think we might have figured out who did this. Was it you, Missy? You're pushing it away from you. Was it you? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I did get everything rolled up. The only thing that was really what you saw all over the floor, aside from the bits and pieces, was this ball of white. They completely unwound it. I say they. Looks like it was Missy. Naughty girl. This is why I should be putting it underneath the ottoman, which is what I had been doing. Missy, stop. It's not for you. It's not for you. Mm-mm. No. No. Cut out. Hey. Psst, psst, psst. Is that good? You just want to see inside? Stop. Stop. Missy, you're supposed to be the good one. Why you do that? All right.